Hello student, welcome to online class. I am Shyam Dulari from LPM Public School. In this video I will tell you about question answer of the chapter 12 of class 5. The name of the chapter is A Fish Story. In this story there is discussion about a fish, and today in this video, this is my second video in which I will tell you about the question answers of this chapter. So let's see. The first question is, read the sentences and answer the questions. Here a statement is given, and the statement is, it was 16 years ago that I caught him just below the bridge with a minnow. This is the statement, and there is a question related to the statement. So let's see what are the questions. Question number A, first is, who speak these words? Where the speaker and his listener sitting? So the correct answer of these questions will be, first question is, who speak this word? And the answer will be, this word had been spoken by the old man. Second question is, where were the speaker and his listener sitting? So the answer is, the speaker and his listener were sitting in a inn. Inn means hotel. It means the listener and the speaker were sitting in a hotel and they were talking to each other. So here I have written they were sitting in a inn. Inn means hotel. Now come to question number 2. The question is, whom did the speaker refer to by him? Here, as we have read in the statement, the word him is given. So the question is, the word him refer to whom according to the speaker? So the correct answer is, him refer to the trout, and the trout, it is a big fish, or you can say the large fish according to the story. Trout is a fish, and here the word him refer to the fish according to the speaker in the given statement. Now question number C is, how much did the fish weigh according to the speaker? Here the question is, what is the weight, or how much is the weight of the fish according to the speaker of this statement? So according to the speaker, the weight of the fish was 18 pound 6 ounce. It means it is more than 18 kilogram according to the Indian currency, according Indian rule. Fourth question is, who come in after the speaker left? This is related to the chapter, but here where the statement is given, there is no any questions, such answers of such questions, but it is related to the story of. So the answer will be, the local carrier, or you can say the porter, come in after the speaker left. When the speaker, that is the old man, left from the hotel, then just he has left, a porter, or you can say the carrier, come inside the room to talk with the author and his friend George. Now let's see the second question. Here is the second question, and the question is, you haven't injured the fish, have you? The statement is, you haven't injured the fish, have you? So the questions are related to this statement, and the question is, first question is, who said this word and to whom? So the correct answer is, the author, or you can say the writer, said this word to his friend George. This was the statement of author who told his friend, have you injured the fish or haven't you? Now the second question is, what made the speaker say this word? It means, why the speaker said this word? The answer will be, The speaker said this word because the chair slipped in which George was standing, and George crunched wildly at the road crest to save himself, and down it came with a crash. George and the chair on the top of the fish. It means when the George was trying to see the fish by standing on the top of the chair, unfortunately the chair fell down, slipped, and George crunched wildly. It means he fell down on the chair from the chair to the fish cage, and both the fish cage and the chair and the author fell down. In that time the fish cage was broken, and in this way the speaker, it means the author, said that have you injured the fish or haven't you? So they have thought that the fish is injured by falling down. Now the next question is, what did they see when the listener got up? When the listener, it means the friend of a author, that is George. What he see when he got up? It means he fall down when he got up. What he see? When the listener got up, they saw that the fish had broken into thousands parts. It means the fish is broken into several parts. So many parts are here. The author has written as 1,000 pieces. So it will be, the answer will be the listener. When the listener got up, they saw that the fish had broken into 1,000 parts. Now the question number 7 is last, that is D, is what truth did they learn about the fish from this incident? From this incident they learned the truth about the fish was that it was made of plaster of Paris. It means the fish was very beautiful, which attract both the author and his friend. Is not a original fish. It was made of plaster of Paris. It means it is a artificial fish which attract him so much that they agree all the stories told by the different persons, but at last when it was broken they are able to find that the fish is not original, it is a artificial fish, and what the story all the person has told them were all are false. So I hope you have understood. Let me revise the questions answers once more. So it is first questions, who spoke this word, who were the speakers and the listener sitting. The answer will be, this word had spoken by the old man, and the speaker and his listener were sitting in an inn. Second, whom did the speaker refer by him? Him referred to the trout, or you can say the fish. How much did the fish weigh according to the speaker? And the answer will be, according to the speaker, the weight of the fish was 18.6 ounces. Question number 4 is, who come in after the speaker left? The answer will be, a local carrier come in after the speaker left. Question number 2, the statement is, you haven't injured the fish, have you? The question is, who said this word to whom? Answer is, author said this word to his friend George. Second question is, what made the speaker say this word? The answer will be, the speaker said this word because the chair slipped in which George was standing, and the George crunched wildly at the trout cast to save himself, and down it came with a crash, George and the chair on top of the fish. The next question is, what did they see when the listener got up? When the listener got up, they saw that the fish had broken into thousands parts. The last question is of question number A, section A. Question A is, what truth did the what truth did they learn about the fish from this incident? The answer is, from this incident, there will be this. From this incident, they learned the truth about the fish was that the fish was made of plaster of Paris. It was not original fish, it is a artificial fish. So I hope you have understood. Write down these question answers in your fair copy. Thank you.